Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good evening, today is April the 30th, 2013, and it's 20 past 10 p.m. Italian time. I want to remind you that the Italian time zone is GMT +1. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick review of the euro dollar, specifically the EuroFX continuous contract on the daily chart, and that's what you see on the screen. This contract is aligned to the June 2013 expiration. Those who follow me know that I've been timing the last move lower, and actually I've been waiting and looking for a reaction in this 129 area, and as we can see in the last few weeks since the beginning of April, there was participation on the upside from this area, from the area starting in 129.10, 129. I've posted on my blog this important level, the 127.15, and as we can see here, price never went below this level. If price would have pierced this level, then this would have changed the long-term direction of the euro, and this would have confirmed the start of a sequence of measure move lower. But as we can see here, this level was never breached on the downside, and on the other side, one of the levels I've indicated, areas I've indicated in the past, has held, as we can see from the price action in the last few days. And this 129.80 area, although it was price dipped below it, then this area held, and we have now a target in the 133.17, so 133.10. Now we have to keep in mind that in the market there are always two group of traders, and that is true for program trading. So for this type of algorithm trading, I follow closely, and in the 132.40 area, that will be the start of an area where a certain portion of participants in the market will look to sell this market. So as we can see, we have the target of this long setup starting in the 129.80 area right into this area, the 133.10, but we need to see whether we're going to get some kind of reaction, participation on the downside in the 132.40. So in the coming days, this level is going to become very, very important. We have two main events we have to keep in mind. We have the seasonal event, which is the sell in May and go away. So if you go back and review the chart of the euro dollar, you'll see that at the beginning of May, in the last 4 years, there was always some kind of selling activity, and that applies to indexes as well, and that would be the first type of event. The second would be the BCE meeting that we were going to have on Thursday, so in 2 days, and we need to see what is going to happen when the BCE is going to lower the interest rates, probably to 0.5%, and we might argue that this decision has been already priced in the euro dollar, but we will need to see what will happen. So we have two potential outcomes here. The first one is that I'm going to anticipate anyway a continued move higher, at least into this 132.30 area, and then we'll need to see if we get a break. So of course, lowering the interest rate would be, the interest rate would be obviously a bearish event for the euro dollar, but we don't know what is going to be the actual behavior, price behavior. So we either come back down and we continue lower, or we actually go back and retest this 129.80, or we actually break higher and break this 133.54 level. If we break this 133.54 level, we will have this 141 area of target confirmed, and as you know, this is what I've been saying the last few months, against the common idea that the euro dollar would continue lower. This is still possible, and we will see what happens in the coming days. So keep an eye on this 132.40 area here, and keep also an eye on this 133.54 level. If we break it, then we are set for a continuation higher, and probably the selling mango way will not hold, or will not be effective on the euro dollar this year. I hope this review is useful. I wish you a very good evening. I invite to review my blog. In the last few weeks I've been less active because I'm preparing for a major change and in my life, and but I will keep posting and keep you in the loop here, at least on the largest moves in the euro dollar. Thank you very much for your attention, and again, have a great evening, and see you on my blog. Bye bye.